Hi friends, how are you? In our previous video, we have installed Jenkins on Red Hat. Okay, this is the Jenkins home page. In today's video, we will learn about plugins. Plugins, how we will install the plugins, and how we will upgrade plugin, and how can we uninstall the plugin. Okay. For that we have here you can see the manage Jenkins. One link is there. Just click on this link. Manage Jenkins. Scroll down, we have plugin here. So plugin we can use, like we can add plugin, remove plugin, disable or enable plugin that can extend the functionality of Jenkins. Okay, click on plugin. I want to install Git plugin. Suppose this is install plugin means we need to check it whether Git is installed or not. GitHub, suppose. So GitHub is installed, right? Maven, let us see Maven. Maven is not there, so I want to install Maven here. So you need to go to available plugins. Then you type Maven. See, this is the Maven plugin. I want to install this one. Select this one and install. Once you click on that one, that plugin will be installed here and it will show you success like this. So once all are success, you need to tick it here. That is restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. So click here to restart. Once the plugin is installed, Jenkins should be restarted so that the plugin will be installed properly. Jenkins will start automatically. Log into Jenkins again. Now you check it in the install. Go to install plugin and check it Maven. See, previously Maven is not there. Now I have installed Maven integration plugin. So once the plugin is installed, we need to check the plugins in the install plugin. If you want to install any new plugin means you have to go to available plugins and you need to search here. Suppose I am checking for one more plugin, any plugin, Blue Ocean something. Blue Ocean. See here, we will install this plugin. Click on install. Now this plugin will be installing. So plugin is successful, right? Now we need to give the tick mark here. Restart Jenkins. Log into Jenkins. Now go to install plugin and check Blue Ocean plugin is available or not. Blue Ocean. See, Blue Ocean plugin came right now. So right now we learn how to install new plugins. There are no updates here. Okay. Now how to uninstall the plugin means you have to go to install plugin, and this is the Maven plugin we have installed. Now I want to uninstall this plugin. So Maven integration plugin. Just see here, you can see what it's showing. Uninstall Maven integration plugin. Click here on the cross mark to uninstall the Maven integration plugin. It will ask you like, are you sure you want to uninstall Maven integration plugin? Then you have to click on yes. Okay. Now again type here Maven. It is showing like uninstallation pending. Let's restart the Jenkins from here. Sudo system ctl restart Jenkins. Let's check the status of the Jenkins. Running, right? And refresh here once. Login, admin. We have done the uninstallation of Maven, right? So go to install plugin section and search for Maven. See, Maven is not there because we have uninstalled the Maven, right? So we in the today's session we learned how to install the plugins and how to uninstall the plugins. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.